Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sai Fine Arts. So friends, today in this video I am going to paint a 5 Diya set which is made up of mud. And in this video you are able to see the beautiful designs on this Diya set. So I just thought of painting it with the beautiful colors. So all the colors and brush details are given in the description box as well as in the video caption. So I request you to watch this video till the end and share your feedback in the comment section. So let's begin now. Thank you. friends, our 5 Diya set painting is ready now. So you have seen how simple and easy to paint this Diya set for our Diwali celebrations. So thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please don't forget to press the bell button. And I will meet you again in the next upcoming video. Till then, take care.